Your environment is so important. The color of the doors, the color of the wall, it really dictates how you feel and the mood that you have. We specialize in barn door hardware and custom doors, as well as custom furniture. It's all made in Canada.
I enjoy doing everything from start to finish, and I love seeing the transformation from the raw material into a finished product. We have a product called the single track bypass that is now patented.
Rock came up with it, and it allows for two doors to bypass one another on the same track. So that way you reduce the hardware portion of having double track. So it's aesthetically a nicer look.
Both Miley and I came from completely different field. Miley was a registered nurse, and then for me, I worked in the IT field.
He started making things like the dining table, coffee table, benches.
I grew up beside a carpentry shop in Vietnam, and I spent a lot of time there just watching people making stuff, and I guess somehow that get absorbed into me. Woodworking has been my passion and my hobby throughout my life. It's kind of almost like a dream come true when you actually get to do what you love.
In an age where things can be mass-produced so easily and so quickly, we like to bring back the craft. That's what we like to do.